In today's video, I'm going to show you the best free video AI you need right now. Whether you want to create videos with built-in sound or use the best models on the market for free and legally, you found the video you need. More and more AI video models keep coming out, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed. Today, there are so many tools to choose from that you don't know which ones are the best. And if you're not careful, some people can take advantage of that by trying to charge you for very low quality models. Today, we're going to fix that. Look at how, with a single prompt, I created 2 videos using some of the best models available right now. For it to work, we need to set it up correctly if we don't want it to throw errors. So our first app is Qwen AI. Once you're here, simply click on Try Qwen Studio. After clicking that, go ahead and click Sign Up. As soon as you click Sign Up, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you can sign up using your email or continue with your Google account or GitHub account. I signed up using Google. Once that's done, you'll see an interface like this. If you go to the video section, you can browse videos created by other users. You can also check out the prompts they used. It's basically a community section where you can explore what other people are creating. Also, this is a really powerful chat model, so you can use it for that as well. Now let me show you how to create a video and what kind of result you can expect. First, let me show you how to get inspiration. Once you're here, you can select any video and use it to get inspiration for your own prompts. Now, when you go back to the chat model, make sure Qwen 3.6 Plus is selected since it's the latest model and it usually gives better results. So just double check that before moving forward. After that, choose the Create Video section and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then, paste your prompt and click Generate. Wait a little while and your video will be generated. After a short wait, as you can see, our video is ready. Let's click on it and check out the result. As you can see, the results look really good, especially considering this tool is free. You'll also find a download option below, so you can save the video from there. I also created another video, so let me show you that one too. As you can see, this is our second video. Let's play it as well. And just like before, the results look really impressive. So you can create videos using this tool. Sometimes when there's a lot of traffic on the platform, video generation may fail. If that happens, just wait a bit and try again later and your video should generate normally. And yes, you can use this tool completely for free. The next tool is called Arena AI. It's a really solid AI tool. If you want to use it for video generation, one of the best things about it is that for a single prompt, it gives you 2 different results using some of the top AI models available. You'll also find a bunch of useful options here, including image generation and web search. To create a video, simply paste your prompt here. Once you've pasted it, click the video icon. After that, hit send and it'll start generating your video. It uses some of the latest high quality models for video generation. As you can see, our video is now ready. And once again, the quality looks really impressive. You can check the results yourself. Let me show you. When we open it and compare the videos, you can clearly see the realism between both results. Personally, I think version B looks much better. Version A is decent, but B feels more realistic and gives a noticeably better result. Whenever you compare results like this, you can simply click B is better or A is better, depending on which output you prefer. You can also see which model was used to generate each video. For example, this one was created using Kling V3, while the other result was generated using Pixverse. Personally, I like the Kling result more because it looked higher quality and much more realistic. That's basically how you can experiment with this tool and generate a lot of different videos. I also created another example video. As you can see, this one looks really high quality with some great results. You can see the butterflies flying around, the flowers, and the overall animation quality. Now, if we compare both versions again, I actually think version A looks better this time. B isn't bad, but A feels more polished to me. So again, whenever you get your results, just choose whichever version you think performs better by clicking A is better or B is better. In this case, I selected A is better. You can also see which models generated each result. This video was created using LTX Studio, while the other one was generated using Grok Imaging. The tool makes it easy to see exactly which model created each output. That's how you can experiment and use the platform depending on your own use case. It's also a really useful chat platform. You can chat with some of the best AI models available because this tool is designed to compare top performing models and help you figure out which ones work best. If you want to check rankings, there's also a leaderboard option in the corner. And when you open the leaderboard, you'll see some of the top chat models available. For example, right now, you'll find Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking, Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview, Muse Spark by Meta, and GPT 5.5. There are plenty of models available here, and you can choose whichever one you want to work with. If you click on image models, you'll see options for text to image and image editing. For image editing, GPT Image 2 is currently one of the strongest models available. And if you go to text to image, you'll see that the same model is currently ranking near the top. If you switch to text to video, you'll find both text to video and image to video options. Under image to video, as you can see, Dramina Cdance 2.0 720p is currently one of the top performing options and is ranked at the top right now. But there is a limitation in this tool. You can generate only some videos per day, but you can come next day and use this tool. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.